Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate Instagram account after temporarily deactivated. So actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then log in into the account you want to temporarily deactivate. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to actually deactivate your account. So all you need to do is to click on your profile image button at the bottom right. Then in this interface at the top right, click on the three lines button. Then in this interface at the top of your screen, click on the search bar and then type delete, deactivation and or deletion. So then click on that one option. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on your account you want to deactivate. And here you need to click on the first option, deactivate account, then continue button. In this interface you need to enter your password, then continue button again. So after that you need to choose why you want to deactivate account. So for example, I will choose privacy concerns and then click on the continue button, then continue again and then deactivate account. So after deactivation, you will automatically see in your another one account if you have that one. So and if you want to reactivate that one account, all you need to do is to click on your profile name at the top left corner and then click on the add Instagram account, then log into existing account, and then you need to enter username and password of that one deactivated account. So and then enter your password and then click on the login button. So after that, as you can see, you logged in your recently deactivated account. So after that one account will be automatically reactivated. So and that's all, and that's how to reactivate Instagram account after temporarily deactivated. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.